Class 7 Algebra Exercise 7b. Here we have to apply this formula a square minus b square, which means once you write a plus b, other side a minus b. So as given, x square minus 36. So 36 we can write it 6 square. So once we have to write x plus 6 and other time we have to write x minus 6. Here also 2a square minus 9. So 2a, that means 2a whole square, 9 is 3 square. So a plus b, a minus b. 81, 49. 81 is 9 square, 7x whole square. So once we have to write minus, other time as plus. 6, 4, 5, 6, do it as your homework. Here, what is common? 16 we have got common. A square minus 9, because 16 9s are 144. A square 9, that means 3 square. 16 as it is, this becomes formula a minus b, a plus b. Either you can write a plus b, a minus b, does not matter. What is common in these two? We have got 7. So 9 and 16. 9, that means 3a, 16 means 4b. Once we have to write in minus, other time we have to write in plus. What is common here? That is 5. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 9s are 45. 4, that means 2a, 9, that means 3b. Once plus, another time minus. What is common here? That we have got 3. 3 4s are 3 9s are 4, that means 2x, 9, that means 3. Once in minus and other time in plus. What is common here? That is x. So x square minus 64. X square 64, that is x 80 square. Once in minus, other in plus. What is common in these two? 16x cube. X square minus 9. 9, that means 3 square. Once minus, other time plus. What is common here? 3x cube. X square minus 16. 16, that means 4 square. One time plus, other time minus. What is common here? 4p. If nothing is left, that means 1 we have to write it. 1 means 1 square. So one time in minus, other time in plus. Look here. What is common in these two? That means 7. 9 a square b square minus 1. Because 7 we have taken out common. This becomes, this we can write it as ab, 3ab whole square minus 1 square. So one time minus, other time plus. From here you have to keep something in mind. That if two numbers are given here, always first of all keep it in bracket. So a square, this thing as b. A square minus b square. Once we have to write in minus, other time in plus. Keep in bracket because we have to change the symbol. Plus minus minus, minus minus, plus. Plus plus plus, plus minus minus. Here you see 16 it was, so 4c. Once minus 4c, other time plus 4c. Think this a and this one as b. So this plus a and here minus a. Why in bracket? Because we have to change the symbol. Plus plus plus, plus minus minus. Plus minus minus, minus minus plus. Plus m minus m goes cancel. So L plus L 2L. L goes cancel. M into n 2m. 2 2 is a 4 ml. This is your answer. Here also 1 it is. Once minus, other time plus. Same way, two numbers are given here. Keep it in bracket. Once minus, other time plus. And remove the bracket. look here, but this is slightly different. X square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. First of all, here we have to keep something in mind, that is this formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab, it will be the formula for a plus b whole square. So first of all, you have to bring these three. Take out minus as common. Now this comes in this rule. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This means the formula for a plus b whole square. So what is a here? That is y, and b place 1. Now comes a square minus b square, one time minus, other time plus. Here also you see. Question number 23. What is common here? That is minus a square b square 2ab. Formula for a plus b whole square. One time minus, other time plus. Here also you see these three common, taken out common. This 2b, that means 2a, minus is here 49, that means 7c. Now one time minus, other time plus. Same with this also, 25 number. 100, 10 square, x minus whole square. One time minus, other time plus. We can change it. This also, one time plus, other time minus. If you add, you will get 800. If you subtract, you will get 10. Multiply it. Here also you see, same way.